Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh teman-teman semuanya. Ini kita dari Bukit Jaya mau menuju ke Gampong Redem untuk persiapan lomba kegiatan MTQ. Para teman-teman kita drivernya cewek guys. Gila kali jalannya tuh. Hati-hati. Gila. Cowoknya duduk. Hai Yasin. Hai. Hai. Hai Ros. Oh my god. Ikutin terus kita ya. Gimana persiapan hari kedua? Oh yang ganti. Hari kedua persiapan menuju MTQ di Kecamatan Merbo. Oke, bersama mahasiswa KPL Sains 2021.
Hey, yo, sis, I don't think they're ready for this shit. Hey, yo, let me take their ass back to the club real quick.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start formatted. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start.
Semuanya, ini kira-kira udah 20 menit perjalanan kita baru nemu aspal. Ya, baru nemu aspal ya. Gimana driver? Mantap banget. Ini. Mantap banget drivernya. Loh, ikutin terus kita nih, bentar lagi kita mau nyampe. Oke?
Now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground.
Oke teman-teman semuanya, ini kita udah sampai ke desa Redem. Hai, capek nggak? Kita udah ganti. Capek banget ya? Gimana driver? Mantap banget driver. Nah, ikutin terus kita. Selesai ini kita akan mulai bersih-bersih ya. Ini sekitar 15 menit lagi. Jadi perjalanan dari Gampong Bukit Jaya ke desa Redem itu sekitar 30 menit karena kita menggunakan beca teman-teman. Kalau misalnya kita menggunakan kendaraan itu agak lebih lama sekitar 20 menit. Jadi kalau kita pakai beca agak lama, jadi lebih 15 menit lagi.
And as we start again, we ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell, trying to hide the smell of the sex. Praying on a Chanel. Then they try to walk with the struts, don't know what could tell. How a nigga got in their butt, made everything jail. Got a chick a wild like a nut, she blowing my cell. Can't get enough of the kid, I put her under my spell. Get low, bud. How did mommy move it along? If you know you bout it, then get to removing your thong. To the whip and back of the truck, that's where you belong. After the yak, to be the type of raunchy shit they be on. Turn it up, street niggas respect it because my movement is strong. Cause we consistently rapping, see my money is long. All my bitches is with me, see how they singing the song. That's how we get in the stick and we be taking them long. I let them. God of the block, see that I'm back. Every single time that I drop, your shit is a rap. For the niggas hating the kid, I'm close to the strap. Cause all these bitches wanna come talk and sit on my lap. Every time I get you bang shit, then I